React hooks. What is meant by React hooks? Why the concept React hooks come? Because we know that React has a two. We can write a React function or a React component in two ways. First one is a class component, another one is a functional component. Here we see that this is a function component, right? Function. For example, this is a class component. Class. Then we need to provide a class name like. Then followed by extends component. It's a capital C. Then followed by render. Then return. Hello. Now we comment out this. We'll export the welcome component. So here we need a component. See, hello is displaying here, right? So React has a two component. One is a functional component. Next one is a class component. So in class component, we all know we will use a state. In each and every component, we have a state. For example, item equal to is to 10. Okay. Then we can print here. So 10. Then we can also update a state or whatever we can do. All functionalities are done by this state. Okay. For example, if there is a button. So in React, we have only one parent class. For example, div, in this case, div would be a parent class. So fine. So here on click, we are going to update a state, right? So now the initial state has 10 item. If we click on this, it will update us to see here is updating. So likewise, how we are going to use this? We can't straightly use state equal to like object in the functional component. To overcome that, we are going to use hooks as a concept. We have a plenty of hooks component. Let me go one by one. The first one is like a use state. Use state is like state in a class component. See, in the state, we can define like the syntax of use state is constant. It's a variable function. Right? So we are going to initialize with use state of value equal to 0. Initially we have a 0 in item. So if we print item, obviously it will be a 0, right? So also we can if we click on the button, we can also update use state to by using set item function. So here we can use set item of 4. So we don't need of object, so it's a single value, right? So if you click on this, it will be a 4. If you click on this, it will be a 4. So here we are using a set item as a function to update a item value using a useState function.